Good evening, everyone. Good evening, all of you. And warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. So, before going ahead, first of all, give me the confirmation whether I'm audible and my screen is visible to everyone, or is there any issue that you people are facing? Yes, so I'm audible and my screen is visible, right? That's great. Yeah. So, good evening once again to everyone, and warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities, specifically for the. Yes, thanks a lot for replying. Thanks a lot. Let's go ahead and first of all, it's not, yeah, warm welcome to all of you also at the Commodity Pathshala. Commodity Pathshala Series 3. It is a new series which I have started to discuss about the live commodity markets. I would say the recent commodity trends worldwide and specific to India. So here basically in the commodity pathshala I try to discuss plenty of things. Already I'm getting plenty of questions right now itself. Yes, it would be plenty of things. Just fine now. No sir, is it clear now? Yeah, let me change few settings and then I'll make it clear. Is there any issue in audio now? Is there any issue in audio and the screen? I have changed few of the settings and I think now it should be very clear to everyone. Please confirm me if it is clear. Rupesh sir, is there any issue you're facing? If anyone is facing any issue in the screen, or if you're not able to see the screen, or if I'm not audible, you can just re-log in yourself and you will get it right. Okay. Please do that. No issues. Okay. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Yeah, that's fine now. So here, as I'm already getting plenty of questions, I'm also going to discuss many points like why we should learn commodities, how we can multiply our capital with the help of commodity, why we should bother about commodities, the potential and the scope of commodity as an upcoming segment, and many other important things. So definitely we are going to even discuss today very interesting topic along with the live market, that how you can multiply your capital by just trading in commodities, how you can even invest the profits which you get from your trading session, how you can invest and can get an effective results with the help of commodities. So that's what we are going to discuss today. Already I'm getting wonderful questions from the members. I'm really happy that all of you are observing our Phoenix Commodities free channel. Before going ahead, let me quickly introduce myself. I am a Hiral Shah, co-founder at Phoenix Commodities. I have done my MBA and MCX certified commodity professional. I have trained more than 1,000 members under the brand name Phoenix Commodities, and all of them are having gala time trading commodities. So let's go ahead. Let me lay down today's agenda point before going ahead. But before going ahead, I just want to ask a simple question to all of you. How many of you are connecting with me for the first time? How many of you are attending this session for the first time? आप लोगों में से कौन पहली बार ये session attend कर रहा है? Can I get a quick reply from all of you? I'm really glad to see huge number of attenders to learn something new, and definitely we will be focusing on this. I won't be wasting your time. Oh, I'm getting the huge list of the members, those who are attending and those who are connecting with me for the first time. Okay. So the people, those who are connecting me for the first time, be doing one thing for you all. Let me show you people. This is the commodity. Um, Just check our website first of all. Yeah, you can be just register our website and you will be getting the previous recordings of the Phoenix.com. Yeah, this is our website which I'm showing you right now. You can go in the learning tab and the recordings will be uploaded over here. The previous series were uploaded over here, but we are just taking out it's the limitation of the space which we can upload the videos over here. The previous session has been uploaded to people who have not attended the previous session. This is the part 2, commodity Pathshala part 2 series 3. Okay, so those who have missed the session, first session, you can definitely go through our website, you can register it and can go through it. Don't try to miss any of the session. We are going to come up with a wonderful learnings. Try to connect on every part of the commodity Pathshala. Yes, definitely it would be 12 to 14 session in a 1 or 2 session in a week we would be planning, and all the information about the session will be uploaded on our Phoenix Commodities free channel. How many of you are a part of our Phoenix Commodities free channel? Can I get a quick reply from all of you? If not, I think all of you will be the part of our Phoenix Commodities free channel, right? If not, be the part of the Phoenix Commodities free channel. You can check the name over here. You can check the subscribers. Don't be the part of the fake channel. Just check it and be the part of this Phoenix Commodities free channel where you will be getting the update for our upcoming commodity Pathshala session. So this was for the new members, those who are connecting with me for the first time. Okay. Is it clear? If you're not the part of the Phoenix Commodities free channel, sir, you need to be the part of it right now. Just download the Telegram and you can be the part of this Phoenix Commodities free channel right now. Okay. Yeah. So now let's go ahead. Let's go ahead with today's agenda point, and then we'll be definitely coming and will be answering all your questions related to today's market levels and what were the previous market levels. Definitely we'll be discussing that. I am getting wonderful questions related to crude, related this nickel and yesterday's levels of the copper. Hold on your eagerness. I'm coming soon for that. Let me lay down today's agenda point before going ahead. So today, why commodity is an important segment. I just started these things in the previous session. I'm going to continue this in today's session. Again, going to explain you many other important things, analyzing world commodities, analyzing MCX live market. That's what we are going to do today. Question answers, power of compounding and commodity. That's the most important topic which I'm going to discuss today. Don't miss it. And if yeah, just go through the complete class. Why to learn commodities from the Phoenix Commodities? That is the question which I'm getting again and again. I'm going to reply that. So these are the few of the agenda points today, and definitely we will be starting our session with the live market. Yeah. So I have already done these things in the previous class. Those who have missed it, they can go through the previous class as well. Yes, definitely I'm going to the live market, and let us discuss. First of all, as you people are following our channel, just tell me, or I just want a quick reply from everyone. How many of you are following our crude levels which we are posting before market hours, nearby 8:30 a.m. or 8:45 a.m. before 9 o'clock? How many of you are following these levels? Can I get a quick reply? Amit sir, if you are facing any audio issue, you can just re-log in yourself, you will get it right, sir. From last 2 months. That's wonderful. Yes, Nitish sir. So how you are, is it helpful to you people? Are you people finding it helpful? Yes, yesterday, Manoj sir, you should start following it if you are not following it yet. Okay, those who are not following it yet, they should start following our channel regularly. You will be getting the trade levels, you will be getting the latest trade levels which have been put up by our Genie, our master's channel, and definitely it would be helpful. Just a minute. Yes, daily made 20 to 30 point in the crude oil. That's amazing, and that's a wonderful feedback, Priyanka ma'am. So that's great. Going great. You are already doing good job. Now it's coming. Okay, Amit sir. Now my audio is clear to you, right? Fine. So here you people can see we are coming up with the levels before market hours on a daily basis. This is our ritual and this is not ये हम लोग एक दो दिन से नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ये पूरे 3 साल से हम लोग ये चैनल पे, आप अगर पीछे जाओगे और if you will do little bit of back testing, then you will be getting this sort of advanced levels since last 3 years. Okay, it is not the task of 1 or 2 days. We are doing this thing regularly since last 3 years, and accuracy is really very good. So how we are coming up with these levels and all that will be coming up for that. But here you people can see that this levels we put up early in the morning before market hours, and now you all can see that the crude cell level was given like a 5242. Yes, today, first of all, today I'm discussing today's level. We will go to the yesterday's level as well. Don't worry for that. So here you people can see that crude cell was given by 42. So what happened today? Let us see. Let me open the today's chart. Yeah, just a minute. So now today in the afternoon, I think so in the yeah, exactly after 1 o'clock, the price had, or the crude oil has made it. This was the opening price at 9 o'clock, and today in the afternoon, here you people can see that the crude had made a high of 5260, and our stop loss has been saved by few points from 42. It has given all the target. Did the levels worked properly today? Yes, the current market price is, all of you can see over here, right? Current market price is 5156 from 5242. It has given almost 100 points of profit. Isn't it amazing? And it's a very much live and transparent. You all can see this, right? So this is the power of advanced trade levels in commodities, or I would say technicals works amazingly in commodities. This is clearly visible, right? What do you all say? Yes, and it's not only today. If you will be looking for the yesterday's level, then let me show you people yesterday's level. Then I'm coming to today's nickel level as well. Yes, I know, sir. I'm really happy that you people are remembering these things. I really know that yesterday we had missed the copper level, though it was very good. It has given good sell, but we missed the execution. That's true, sir. I'm really happy that you are observing this so closely. Now, yesterday crude sell call was given like by nearby 8:45 a.m. It was a sell from 5352 with the stop loss of 5375. Now, let me show you people in the charts itself. Yeah, just a minute. Here you people can see that the high made yesterday, this is the 1 hour chart which I have just opened in front of you all. This is yesterday, it is the 3rd of August. Here today the 4th of August has been started over here. Here you people can see yesterday the high made by the crude was 5350. We had put up our levels early in the morning, and from 5350 it has made the low of 5146. So it has given almost exactly more than 200 points of profit, right? Or exact 200 points of profit. Come on, just tell me, isn't it amazing? I am not telling that you people would be taking the complete profit, but are you understanding that technicals or the levels or the trade levels which we are preparing before market opens, or the advanced trade levels are giving good results? Come on, I want quick reply from everyone before going ahead. Yes, Babu sir, there are options in crude oil, but we are not looking too much on the options. Okay, we do focus more on the futures. Why not in options? Because options, the basic reason is that the volumes are not that good. So we just focus on the futures as of now. We just hardly need 1 lakh rupees of the margin for trading in the crude future. It is giving such a huge opportunity, sir. We are not focusing too much on options as of now, but yes, options are also picking up in the all the commodities in the crude, in gold and silver. Options are picking up, and soon we will be looking into options as well. Yeah, we'll definitely start looking into options as well. Yeah, that's great. So see, this is the power of technicals, I would say. Hedging futures, in case position goes opposite, we will see huge loss. Yes, you can do that, sir, Babu sir. Definitely you can do the hedging if you are trading with a big lots and the huge lots, and if you're not trading, then you can hedge your position, and with a big stop loss, then definitely one can do that. Now, example today, crude till what level it will fall? Rupa ma'am, I'm in the loss. Should we watch only BB? No, Rupa ma'am. See, first of all of you, those who are attending my session, I think there is no issue in English language, right? Those who are facing any issue in English, I will be repeating the same thing in Hindi. Yes, so I can understand that there are few members, those who are having problem in English. Don't worry for them, you can just put up your question and I'll be repeating in the Hindi. Otherwise my complete class will be in the simple English language. Okay, now Rupa ma'am, as you are telling, see, it is not possible to make you all understand the complete strategy in few minutes. Okay, it is the complete sort of, or I would say it is a in-depth learnings which will give you such amazing result. It is not the one or two short term strategies which is giving such amazing result. It is the in-depth learning of the complete subject, pinch of fundamentals and the strong technical setup that is giving such amazing results. You can't learn it in the few sessions, but yes, I will definitely show you people something very important. First of all, the labels which have been put up in the our Telegram channel, which you people are observing, they are been based on the global chart. So it is our MCX chart, as I have explained you people in the last class. All the commodities which we are trading in the global script. Okay, that means they are traded globally. It is not only traded in India, but it is traded globally. So here you people can see this is the crude WTI chart or the global chart, and our MCX chart is a mirror image of this global chart. And the levels which we are putting up in our channel, they are based on this chart. Okay, Rupa ma'am. See, basically, our MCX chart starts early in the morning, 9 o'clock, and I think everyone is aware about that, right? Whereas our global chart starts at 3:30 a.m. early in the morning. That means, and it sleeps at 2:30 a.m. So it sleeps only for 1 hour. It works for 23 hours a day. So before our market opens, जब भी अपना market open होता है, उसके पहले ग्लोबल मार्केट ऑलरेडी ओपन हो जाता है. वो ग्लोबल मार्केट विल बी वर्किंग सिंस लास्ट 8 to 10 आवर्स, और वो एक ही घंटे के लिए स्टॉप होता है. पूरे 24 घंटे में से खाली एक ही घंटा वो नहीं चलता है. 23 आवर्स इट इज वर्किंग. तो ये चार्ट बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल रहते हैं मॉर्निंग लेवल्स और आज के लेवल्स डिसाइड करने में. सो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द बेस ऑन द global chart, which you people can see. I've just opened the crude oil global chart in front of you all, and here you can see that this is the chart where we will be looking for making our levels. Now coming to the hourly chart, I'm just coming to the hourly chart. If you people will check, or if you want to compare this with our MCX chart, you people will see that both the charts or both the scripts are almost going hand in hand. They are making the same. See, by yeah, here I am opening the crude MCX chart. Okay, crude. Yeah, let me open the MCX chart over here. Just a minute. Too many windows. Sorry. Yes, crude oil WTF futures commodity MCX. So I'm opening this chart over here. So now this is the MCX chart. This the price of this MCX chart is 5156, whereas this is the global chart. Can you see that the both are making the same patterns? Come on, I want a quick reply from everyone. Are they making the same pattern? Yes, so they both are making the same pattern, and our MCX chart is a mirror image of this global chart. This global chart works for 23 hours a day, whereas our MCX chart works only for 14 plus trading hours. So this type of the gap are possible in our chart, which won't be available in a global chart. This is how it works, and it's simple. Now, how to convert this MCX global price into the MCX price? All of you want to know that? Okay, let me open the USD INR chart in this. How many of you are aware to calculate this global price? Come on, tell me. How many of you are already knowing this? Let me do one thing. Let me select, this is an Indian, this is a global chart. Let me select your USD INR. Yes, all of you just check over here. I'm just opening, oh sorry. I am opening this USD INR global chart. It is, yeah, that's true. And this currency works for 24 hours a day. Okay, the currency chart or the conversion rate of the currency charts doesn't sleep. It works for 24 hours a day. Now, what you need to do to get this MCX crude oil price, you just need to multiply this 69.33 into 74.140. Come on, tell me what is the price right now? You just need to multiply this both, and you will be getting the MCX crude oil price. Come on, can I get a quick reply? 74.150 into 69.33 is the price is nearby 5140 or 5149, and our MCX price is almost near to that, right? So this is how you can calculate crude oil price with the help of global chart and USD INR. दर्शन सर, वही तो मैं बता रही हूँ कि मैं हिंदी में कर डेफिनेटली आई कैन डू द कंप्लीट वर्कशॉप इन हिंदी. पूरा वर्कशॉप ही हिंदी में कर सकते हैं, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट काफी लोग हैं जिनको हिंदी नहीं आती है. देयर आर मेनी मेंबर्स दोज हु डोंट नो हिंदी. सो वी आर मेकिंग इट इन द सिंपल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, जिसके लिए मतलब सब लोग ही ये क्लास अटेंड कर सकते हैं, और इंग्लिश विल बी सिंपल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. दर्शन सर, आप मुझे क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो, मैं आपका क्वेश्चन हिंदी में पढ़ लूंगी और आपको वही क्वेश्चन का रिप्लाई मैं हिंदी में दे दूंगी. तो ऐसे काफी लोग होते हैं जिनको हिंदी नहीं आती है, पर बेसिक इंग्लिश शायद सबको ही आती है. तो ज्यादातर हम लोग क्लास बेसिक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में प्रेफर करते हैं, बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी साउथ इंडियंस दोज हु डोंट नो हिंदी. उनको हिंदी पता ही नहीं चलता है, बिल्कुल ही हिंदी नहीं आती है. पर बेसिकली द हिंदी मेंबर्स, उनको थोड़ा बहुत तो इंग्लिश आ ही जाता है, तो उसके लिए हम लोग ये क्लास बेसिक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में रखते हैं. पर अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है और अगर आपको हिंदी में कुछ भी समझना है, तो आप क्वेश्चन हिंदी में पूछ सकते हो और मैं आपको जवाब हिंदी में दे दूंगी. इज इट क्लियर सर? नाउ why USD INR? तो USD INR बहुत important है, because whenever we want to buy this commodities are being traded globally. पूरी दुनिया में ये ट्रेड होता है, and this crude oil is the highest traded script in the complete world. Okay, and when as an Indian, if we want to buy this commodity, we need to buy it in the US dollar. So the conversion rate of the USD INR is very important to identify the price of our MCX crude oil. So we need to multiply this both and we will be getting the price of the MCX crude oil. Yes, USD INR impact, USD INR plays a very important role in all the commodities. Crude and NG. Crude and NG, both you can calculate the MCX price in the same way, Rupesh sir. And crude is one of the highest traded script. Definitely NG also comes over there because the capital required to trade NG is quite less than the crude. So now NG is also picking up the volumes, and NG is the favorite script of many, right? Now, whatever I've shown you people right now, it's not only true for crude oil, it is also true for all the commodities which we are trading, or all the globally traded commodities. Let me show you people. Say by in the MCX website, you just need to open the MCX website. It is very, very resourceful. And here I'm showing you the products which we are focusing. We are focusing only on the products which are being traded globally, say by गोल्ड सिल्वर कॉपर, मतलब कि बेस मेटल्स और एनर्जी, ये सभी कमोडिटीज ग्लोबली ट्रेड होती है। यहाँ पे हम लोगों को 100-150 स्क्रिप्ट या हजारों स्क्रिप्ट नहीं देखनी पड़ती है कमोडिटीज में। वी आर जस्ट लुकिंग एट 8 to 9 स्क्रिप्ट। हम लोग खाली 8 से 9 स्क्रिप्ट पे फोकस करते हैं, और इसमें भी अगर आप खाली एक कमोडिटी पे बराबर से ध्यान दो तो भी आपके जो भी टारगेट है वो आप अचीव कर सकते हो। आपको सभी कमोडिटीज देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। एंड व्हाट आई हैव शोन यू पीपल दैट दिस ग्लोबल चार्ट, this is same for all the script. Okay, it is not only for the crude oil, it is also for the natural gas, it is also for the gold, silver, copper, lead, nickel, zinc. All them are traded globally, and we can calculate the crude oil and natural gas price as I showed you people. Base metal is little bit tricky. Gold and silver, we don't need to find out global price because they are highly traded in Indian market. In the domestically in MCX itself, gold and silver are highly traded. We as an Indians are just fond of investing our money in gold and silver. So we are there is a lot of trading happening in the MCX itself. We don't need to look at anywhere for the price, global price. Yes, metal index भी है और bullion index भी है, वहाँ पे भी volumes बढ़ रहे हैं. See, the basic thing is that there are plenty of advantages of trading in commodities. First of all, they are globally traded. Manipulation is almost near to nil. मतलब दो तीन proprietor और मतलब अपने अपने हिसाब से कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट के प्राइस चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज ये खाली इंडिया में नहीं ट्रेड हो रहा है, ये पूरी दुनिया में ट्रेड होता है। तो कोई एक दो तीन प्रोप्राइटर का मन हुआ और प्राइस ऐसे इधर उधर कर दिया, वैसा हो नहीं सकता है। सो मैनिपुलेशन इज ऑलमोस्ट नियर टू निल, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस technicals works amazingly in this commodities, and the results are just in front of you all. In the base metal, in the bullions, in the energy, technicals are working very nicely. Again, we are focusing only on the few script, मतलब खाली 9 स्क्रिप्ट है देखने के लिए। हम लोगों को हजारों स्क्रिप्ट में से सर्च नहीं करना पड़ता है। अगर आप एक स्क्रिप्ट पे भी ध्यान रखोगे तो भी आपको जो भी चाहिए, मतलब वॉट एवर योर टारगेट वुड बी, यू विल एबल टू अचीव दैट। ओके, यू कैन डिसाइड एंड यू कैन अचीव इट. It is that simple. Now commodities, again, it starts early in the morning 9 o'clock, it ends at 11:35 p.m. मतलब 14 घंटा हम लोगों को ट्रेड करने के लिए मिलता है every day. So this is another biggest advantage. So people who are engineers, software engineers, doctors, and housewives, students, they can take an advantage of this commodities very, very easily. They can trade at any convenient time and can multiply their capital easily. Yes, today I'm going to show you people the power of compounding. We will definitely looking at that. But before that, I have got one more question. What is the capital required to trade this commodities, right? Yeah. Let me show you people RMS live update of the Allies Blue. और आप लोग खुद ही देख लीजिए कितना कैपिटल चाहिए ट्रेड करने के लिए ये सब कमोडिटीज में। तो यहाँ पे दिस इज द F15 brokerage plan. We just need to pay the brokerage of F15, and here is the list which has been updated on today 4th, 8th, and the margin requirement for trading this commodities is the list of the margin is over here. तो margin तो खाली रखना है, मतलब उसके लिए, yeah, this is the capital requirement to trade in this commodities, but you are just keeping it as a deposit, right? So crude, it is almost 82K or around 83K. गोल्ड मीनिंग, गोल्ड पैटल, वहां पे बहुत कम मार्जिन चाहिए, जैसे कि गोल्ड मीनिंग में खाली 36,000 37,000 चाहिए. मेटल इंडेक्स, बुलियन इंडेक्स, you people can see that you can trade with a less capital. Yes, and the natural gas, that's what I'm telling you all. The capital requirement for trading natural gas is just 28,000. In the same way, if you are a small trader, you can start with a less capital with a silver micro. You can multiply your capital and can use the same capital to trade other commodities. जैसे कि zinc, it is requiring just 1,08,000, and 1 point of profit in zinc is giving you 5,000 rupees. Okay, 1 point of profit in nickel is giving you 1,500 rupees. 1 point of copper is giving you, you people are observing the trade levels on a daily basis, they are giving the huge profits. तो इतना ज्यादा प्रॉफिट कैसे होता है? क्योंकि 1 का प्रॉफिट ही हम लोगों को 1,500 रुपए दे देता है निकल में. 1 का प्रॉफिट कॉपर में 2,500 रुपीज दे देता है. तो इट इज वेरी इजी, राइट? इट इज वेरी इजी टू मल्टीप्लाई योर कैपिटल इफ यू आर इन द राइट डिरेक्शन. See, by aluminum, 1 point of profit is giving you 5,000 rupees. So it is very simple. As I told you, Rupa ma'am, there is no such, I already gave one tip, right? That the levels have been prepared on the basis of the global chart. See how beautifully our members are putting up the levels. But before going that, yeah, today's nickel level, I'll be definitely showing you. I'll be showing you the power of compounding as well, how you can go through that. See, the today morning nickel buy level was like a 1463 and the stop loss was 59.40. Let me go to the chart. Let me open the chart in just a minute. This is the crude oil, and now I'm going to the nickel. What is showing the nickel and how did the level work? Come on, this was also been put up early in the morning. ये भी 1 hour का chart है और आज का price market open हुआ इधर. It has made the low of a 1461. Our buy was 63, right? What was the buy level for nickel? Come on. 63. It made the low of 61. It came, sorry, it is here. It made the low of the 61 at 11 o'clock, and the levels did got executed. After 1 hour, we posted our levels, and just see, did it work perfectly? Again, it has made a high of 1474. See the beauty of this levels. All of you are checking the beauty of this levels. प्राइस यहाँ से 10 पॉइंट ऊपर प्रॉफिट दिया. 10 पॉइंट मतलब what is the count? That is the 1,500 into 10, that is almost near to 15,000 rupees of profit. Again price came back to the same level again from a 1463. Price had picked up and again it has given a, what is the profit? What is the high made by this? Again it is 76. So again it has given 13 points of profit. All of you can see the power of levels. Come on, tell me, did this level work perfectly? Both the time it has given a good results, right? Yes, 1 point of profit in nickel equals to 1,500 rupees. It is very much live and transparent. See, everything which I am showing you people is live and transparent, and here you people can see that how beautifully it is working in the charts as well. There is no rocket science in all these things. It is just the power of technicals. Okay, it is just the power of technicals and the proper set of learnings. Yeah, our members or our masters are also doing wonderful job. I'll be showing you people how they are multiplying their capital on a regular basis. But before that, let us go to the power of compounding. All of you are fresh for that. Shall I make you all understand how you can use the power of compounding in the commodities? Come on. Yes, we are already done with this. So let us start with the part of compounding. That's wonderful. See, now all of you are eager that how we can multiply. See, this, rather than Rupa ma'am, rather than discussing the specific commodity charts and the technical, let us all spend time to strategize our way of working. Okay. I've already told you that the levels have been calculated on the global charts and many other things, or how you can work on this. See, by there are many members, those who are following us since long, and you know that power of compounding gives amazing result in commodities. And see, this recent pandemic has changed world dynamics altogether. Am I right? It has changed the way the companies used to work, the people used to do business, and lot of acceptance towards the work from home is accepted for the white collar jobs as well, and lot of downfall in the commercial real estates, lot of dependence on the data plans, and means plenty of things have changed. Yes, and few are earning like a mad, say by hospitals, laboratories, grocery stores, consumer goods, e-tech companies. So the people, those who are easily adapting and scaling to the digitization, they are earning like anything. What do you all say? Are you all agreeing to my to this point? As a common man, as a common man, sooner we adapt to newer dynamics, so sooner we follow the newer dynamics, or we focus on this, sooner we will be financially secured, right? And everyone wants to have that sort of secondary income, secondary source of income, or I would say virtual income. Yes, definitely you can do that. You can definitely, you will never realize when this secondary source of income will suppress your primary income. You can achieve all your targets by following this strictly, but it is not that simple. You need to do it with a strict rules and disciplines. Let me show you people the power of compounding in commodities. I think all of you would be aware about the compounding, right? So compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, and the one who understands it earns it. The one who doesn't understand it, they need to pay for it. I think everybody is aware about this. Now, how we can apply it in commodities, how we can apply the same thing in the commodities, and how we can multiply our capital. First of all, before going ahead and before explaining you through this presentation, let me show you people, and I wanted reply from everyone. Okay, let us make our session interactive. I can see the plenty of questions, but I want answers as well. I can see huge number of attendees attending today's session. I want to reply from everyone. Here I am just investing 30,000 or starting my investment in commodities with 30,000. I am getting 12 plus trading hours. मुझे सुबह 9 बजे से लेके रात का रात को 11 बजे तक का टाइम मिलता है. कभी भी मैं कोई भी टाइम पे जब भी कन्वीनियंट है तभी ट्रेड कर सकती हूँ, बट नॉट विदाउट लर्निंग. दिस ऑल थिंग्स आई कैन स्टार्ट only after proper set of learning. So that this all things I'll be doing only after the proper set of learning and not before learning. Okay, not before the investment in learning. It can only be done after learning, and I am just focusing after lots of research analysis, after learning, after gaining more than 80% of accuracy, I will start my this trading journey. एक बार फिर से मैं हिंदी में रिपीट करती हूँ. पहले ये सब सीख लेने के बाद, रिसर्च एनालिसिस करने के बाद, जब भी मेरी एक्यूरेसी 80% से ज्यादा हो जाती है, तभी मैं ये जर्नल बनाना चालू करूंगी और तभी मैं ट्रेड लेना चालू करूंगी. So this is the prerequisite which we need before starting this. Okay, everyone cannot start by today itself. But yes, you can start it after learning. And I am starting my journey with only one lot. मतलब कि पूरा महीना मैं खाली एक ही lot size पे काम करूंगी. And then I am just targeting 1250 rupees of profit per day. 1 point of profit in NG is 1250 rupees. I am targeting only 1250 rupees of profit at the end of the day. Now, what I'm showing you people is that after profit and loss, पूरे दिन में कभी भी टाइम मिलता है तभी मैं ट्रेड करूंगी, और जहाँ प्रॉफिट और लॉस के बाद आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग ओनली 1 point of profit at the end of the day. Okay. Now, those who are actively trading in NG, just let me know, is the 1 point of profit difficult in NG? Come on, tell me. Is 1 point of profit difficult in NG to get in the complete day? And that too after proper set of learning, after research analysis, and after gaining the accuracy of more than 80%. It is simple, right? That's wonderful. I've got a reply from majority of the members that no, it is not difficult. So that's what I'm going to do. पूरा महीना में खाली एक ही पॉइंट का प्रॉफिट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, that is my target. बस इतना ही टारगेट रखूंगी. And that is, I'm not going to trade for 30 days in a month. I will be just trading 20 days. Okay. From 26 days, I'll be just focusing on the 20 trading days. Every day it's not possible to trade for anyone. So I'm just calculating 20 trading days. So at the end of the month, my profit would be 25,000. Now I started my journey with 30,000. At the end of the month, I'm just focusing 1 point of profit in one day. At the end of the 20 days, this would be my profit. I'm not taking out my profit, but I am compounding it. मैं यहाँ से profit निकाल नहीं रही हूँ, पर मैं मेरे capital में वही profit को add कर रही हूँ. So now my capital जो मैंने 30,000 से चालू किया था, वो capital अभी दूसरे महीने मेरा 55,000 हो गया है. Now the same strategy, same rule I'm going to follow. दूसरे महीने में मैं 2 lot size से काम करूंगी, वही खाली 1 point का profit. At the end of the day, gaining only 1 point of profit, but with the 2 lots. Now here my lot size is 2. So the profit would be 25,000. Same strategy I'm going to follow. Only 1 point of profit at per day, but I'm trading with the 2 lots. So my profit would be like 25,000. And at the end of the 20 trading days, it will be 50K. Again, I'm not taking out the profit. I am accumulating. See, you can take your own time. दूसरे महीने आप खाली एक ही लॉट से काम कर सकते हो, तीसरे महीने आप खाली 2 लॉट से, मतलब धीरे धीरे ये बढ़ा सकते हो. That is no loss in a whole month. See, Tribhuvan sir, what I told you, Mahesh sir, the stop loss would be minimum. Okay, first of all, and after profit and loss, Tribhuvan sir, profit or loss के बाद, मतलब कि after profit and loss, I am targeting only 1 point of profit at the end of the day and 20 trading days in a month. Okay, yes, definitely you can do this after proper set of learnings. The same strategy, only 1 point of profit, but now I am increasing my lot size to 5 with the same strategy, with the same sort of rules which I am following, and our members are already doing that. I'll be showing you how they are doing it. Here you people can see I had just this would be with the 5 lots in the third month when I'll be getting more confidence. Again, I'm not taking out my profit. I'm not taking out my profit for the next 5 months. And I started my trading with the 10 lots, and I will not increase my lot size more than 10. So this is how 5 months of the accumulation, and after getting the capital, I'll be just keeping 5 lakhs of capital in my account. I will start removing the profits from this month, and at the end of the 2 years, you people can see what is the potential. The strategy is the same. Hardly 8 point ka profit at the end of the day, only 1 point of profit at the end of the day. But we need to increase our lot size as per our convenience. As a beginner, you can take 3 to 4 months with one lot. and you can plan your own Excel accordingly, but it is having a huge potential. This is the way how you can easily multiply your capital in commodities. ये मैंने NG का, this Excel sheet is particularly for NG. You can make an Excel sheet for nickel, you can make it for crude, and you can easily multiply your capital. Yes, you can achieve it because we are getting a huge trading hours. We need to follow strict rules, we need to invest in learnings, we need to work in accordance with that. But if we are ready to give that pain, first of all, just tell me, is it good to give such pain? Is it good to give such pain? Come on, tell me. Is it worth giving pain, or is it worth learning? Is it worth giving all such pain and learning these things? Yes, you can definitely. Now let me show you how our members are. See, right now we are talking and we are having the class. You people can see how all the batch groups are learning and earning together. Just to check here, the batch 14, batch 16, batch 13, all are, and this I've just opened batch 15 right now. Right now the batch 16 is going on. See how beautifully they are putting up their levels. They are going to be our upcoming masters, and see the profits which they are making on a regular basis, just trading on the single script. This is just in front of you how they are doing it. It is not magic, okay? You can't get such profits on a very first day. It is a practice which they are getting the result. They had put up the reason behind that trade. उन्होंने लिखा है कि क्यों ट्रेड लिया, कैसे ट्रेड लिया, and everything has been put up over here, and the complete group is learning and earning together, and this is the result. Isn't it amazing? Just they are focusing on NG. Just see this our batch 16 group. Recently we are in the class, and you people can see that lots and lots of messages in the batch 16. They are also learning. That process has started. They started their learning journey, so they are learning and earning together. In the same way, our masters group are just nailing it. Masters are doing just a wonderful job. You people are already observing that trade levels. They are putting up their trade levels, and they are also working on the same trade levels. I think every day we are getting the summary of the master's trade levels, right? And yesterday there was a no stop loss hit by Master Shilpa. She is also doing wonderful job. So on a daily basis, being the consistent is a task, right? But if you are focused, if you are having the particular target, you can definitely achieve it. Slowly and steadily you can definitely get all your targets. See the master shape in the copper, aluminum. You can see how beautiful profits they are making. Now, who are the masters? Masters are our batch members. Say by from batch 1 to batch 15. Those who are doing wonderful job, those who are consistent in their research, in their analysis, they are being uploaded as a master, and they share their research ideas, and they would be trading on the same levels. So they are like helping the complete community to learn and earn together. तो ये लोग लर्न भी करते हैं और सबको लेवल्स शेयर करते, खुद लर्न करते, क्यों लेवल्स दिए वो भी पुटअप करते। तो जो भी नए लोग हैं, जैसे कि बैच 16 वाले लोग नए हैं, वो अभी अभी सीख रहे हैं ट्रेड करने के लिए, तो उन लोगों के लिए एक हेल्पिंग हैंड हो जाएगा। सो द मास्टर्स आर हेल्पिंग द कंप्लीट कम्युनिटी, एंड दे आर बीन ऑनबोर्डेड एज अ मास्टर. They are doing wonderful job, and then we will be putting up as a master. And here you people can see even the batch 14, all the batch members are doing wonderful job, I would say. All are yes, here you people can see that they start with a small capital. They share their research, their ideas, and they would be doing they are also following the master's trade levels, and masters are also doing wonderful job. So already 10 points in the sell call. So masters and Genie has given the buy call in the nickel, that also gave more than 16 points of profit, and then the sell call also had given a wonderful profit. So here they are learning and trading for a complete day. So yes, now All of you are clear with who are the masters, right? So this is called as a power of compounding. And this, you can prepare it if you are focused for the same. You just need to remember. Thanks a lot Nitish sir कि आप levels observe करते हो और आपको अच्छे लगते हैं. So that's wonderful. पर मैं एक बात बता देती हूँ clearly, जो भी हिंदी समझते हैं, जिसको भी हिंदी समझ में आता है और जिसको भी इंग्लिश कम समझ में आता है, एक बात बहुत क्लियर है कि यहाँ पे कुछ भी मैजिक नहीं किया जाता है. ये पूरा जो भी लेवल्स बनते हैं वो टेक्निकल्स के हिसाब से बनते हैं. टेक्निकल्स को अप्लाई करके ये लोग लेवल्स पे आते हैं. और हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत फंडामेंटल्स और स्ट्रॉन्ग टेक्निकल सेटअप is what giving the complete result which is in front of you all. और ये कोई भी कर सकता है, जिसको भी सीखने की जिसको भी थोड़ा भी सीखने का मन होता है, मतलब those who are focused, those who are dedicated for their learnings, they can nail it. Even you people can be a master, even you all can be genie for yourself. Now what is genie? Genie is the in-house technical team. वो एक in-house technical team है, हमारी technical team है जो levels बनाती है. जो सेटअप हम लोग सिखाते हैं क्लास में, उसी सेटअप के बेस पे लेवल्स बनाए जाते हैं. तो इट इज लाइक अ हेल्पिंग अवर मेंबर्स टू लर्न एंड अर्न टुगेदर. ओके, सो remember one thing, that time is your friend and impulse is your enemy. Patience is the master key. So here you need to keep a lot of patience. I've already showed you Excel sheet. If you follow this discipline in your life for few years, and you will enter the magic period of your life. Yes, Rupa ma'am, definitely. Anyone can become expert to predict like genie. If you want to learn, you should just go for the complete set of learnings. You can definitely, you can even better than genie or masters ma'am, I would say. But see, as they say that the common sense is not common, simple things are not simple, but most difficult to achieve, right? So this is the complete process which everyone has to follow. It's not that simple, but if you are focused and dedicated, then it's not difficult also. You need to follow the process. First of all, you need to open your eyes. You need to realize the unlimited potential which it is giving you. Then you need to execute it smoothly. I think you people are already gone through this stage. You had already gone through this stage. I think all of you are at the stage 3. You just want to execute it smoothly, right? And continue with dedication. So all of you, those who want to learn, they should not delay the process. You all should start your learnings from the today itself. See, basically, what I would say, learnings are priceless. I don't need to tell anything else than that, right? Every day you people are observing our Phoenix Commodities free channel. You people already know our testimonials, right? You people can just go to the Phoenix Commodities testimonials and see the result of the Excel sheet, Genie Excel sheet of the month of July. It has done awesome work. Okay. Am I audible now? Is my screen visible to everyone and am I audible now? Yeah, there was some glitch due to the network and I was not able to connect with you all. Anyways, now I think it is audible. As I was telling you people, and as the majority of the members were asking about that, see the Phoenix commodities here. You go through this channel and go through the pin message. Here you will be getting the BAT 17 offer. And here you people can see that this offer, early bird offer, is almost going to complete. Last 10 seats are left for that. Those who are interested for the complete set of learnings, please don't miss this offer, because this offer is like 4 months of Genie and Masters channel free, which is worth 10-20K, along with the complete set of recordings of batch 16 which is going on. So if you are interested, you can definitely go through that offer, take an advantage of this offer, and I would say that only last 10 seats have left. Yeah, and here you people can see that the curriculum, or what is a part of the curriculum, so it is covering all the important topics. Say by it is covering fundamentals plus set of technicals, and in the fundamentals we cover all that important things which are required to become a pro in commodity trading. In technicals, we do start from very basic to advanced level of technicals, say by gap theory, Fibonacci levels, oscillators, divergence, Bollinger Bands, chart patterns, and the most important is Ichimoku trading system, which is giving more than 90% of accuracy. All the sessions in the live market, 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., and the inventory and all other important events of the commodities in the live market. For further inquiry regarding the curriculum and the early bird offer of batch 17, you people can contact our support team. They will definitely help you and will give you all the related information. Manoj sir, say by it is the complete in-depth set of learnings. You would be thinking that I would be aware of the some basic of the topics, then it will be an advantage, or you will have to yes, the perception would change, sir. That would be the lot of new things which you will be learning along with the things whatever you would be knowing, and it would be the part of the complete trading setup. Yes, so for further inquiry regarding about the curriculum and the details of the course, you can share or can contact our support team. It was nice talking, and I think it was you people would have definitely enjoyed the last 1 hour. Definitely, we are coming up with more commodity part. Yeah, we are planning to have more than one session in a week. Next week, we'll be coming up with the 2 session per week. Looking forward for the wholehearted participation from everyone, and we are looking forward for the new topics. I think you people had understood the power of compounding in the commodities. I would suggest that all of you can go ahead with this, but only after proper set of learning. Let's meet next week. And for further inquiries regarding the curriculum, you can just contact our support team. They will guide you, they will help you for the same. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.